Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 13C, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications and then swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. This will reveal screen recording as one of those toggles. If it's not visible on the first page like it is for me right over here, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will then give you this overlay right here with record, folder, settings and close option. Now, the folder option will allow you to navigate to the folder with just screen recordings, which you can also find in your gallery application, so this one is kind of redundant. Then we have the settings, which allows you to obviously customize the screen recording itself. So we have things like resolution, which is already set to the highest one possible on this device. We have bitrate. Let me just move that out of the way. So we have bitrate, which is set to 6 megabits per second, which for this resolution I think should be sufficient enough. Obviously, if you find it to be looking a little bit too pixelated at times when you have like moving images on there, you might want to increase it to 8. I don't think it's going to require anything more than 8 megabits. Now keep in mind that this basically refers to how many megabytes the device or the recording takes per second. So each second right now would be about 6 megabytes, right? So if you obviously increase it, the more you go, the higher you go, the more storage you will be needing per second. So it's not beneficial to just crank it up to the max. Anyway, next we have orientation, which is set to auto. Sound source, it's set to system. You can also change to both microphone or none. And then frame rate, which is set to 24. I recommend just maxing it out to 30. It will just make it look a little bit better. Anyway, from here we can just start recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. I am going to showcase one thing that is also associated with the screen recording, which is the ability for applications to just straight up block it. Because why would you be able to use your phone or features of your phone the way you want to? That beats me, right? So Netflix thinks that you shouldn't be able to do whatever the heck you want with your device. Hence, once you're done recording, you can click on the square and you want to view your screen recording. We can go into gallery for that. Select got it. And we can play it back. You will see this amazing thing happened. Or happen. Come on, play. And there we go. Now, as you've seen, there was content that was scrolling through here. What you will see is absolutely freaking nothing. So, just to explain this feature, it is designed for protection purposes. So, security. Like, as an example, if you have bank application and you have some kind of malware on your device that is just screen pinning everything and just seeing what you're typing and all that stuff, if you were to open up a bank application, obviously it wouldn't be very beneficial to you for such an application to be able to see your pins and all that stuff for your bank app, right? So this basically prevents it from happening. But you don't have control over that. Either it's implemented into the app or it's not and you cannot turn it off, which is, in my opinion, a bit of a not very good design, considering I would like to have choice over this. So you don't, and hence you have applications like Netflix which can just completely block your screen recorder. Now they do it because they don't want you pirating, but let's be honest, pirating isn't that difficult and you can find pirated content everywhere, or you can record it in different ways. So this is just an annoyance rather than a feature for them. So anyway, that being said, if you ever encountered such a recording, just know that whatever you are trying to record is just strictly blocking you from doing so, and there's nothing you can do about it. So anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.